Hi, Mark Fitzpatrick here. In this video, we're going to show you the before and after from a condo renovation we undertook in North Bethesda, Maryland. And this condo is now active for sale. This condo was just really tired, old, and just dated. And the outdoor space, that's the showstopper here. It gives you incredible living areas outside that you just don't really get at a condo. It's just so rare. And it's just under 700 square feet. So we prettied that up and showed what that space could be like. This is a great unit. It's lots of great light, as you can see. What's amazing though is this outdoor space. But look at this. You don't have this in many condos. This kind of space, not in this condition, right? This is valuable right now. And we can make this look incredible because this space right now in what happened with Corona-19 is extremely important for people. It's rare that you actually get this kind of space. Where are we? We're here, right? Executive Boulevard, Nicholson Lane, and 2 blocks from Whole Foods. So the location is primed, but this terrace, if it had some appeal to it, is incredible for someone looking at condos now. Welcome home to the Fallswood Condos, this very special condo that is so rare to the market. Yes, we are home. Yes, this is a condo. Don't worry, we're gonna go inside, but I want to start you outside because literally you have a backyard gate out to a grassy area, and then a pool beyond that. You'll see that later. But this is nearly 700 feet of outdoor living space, and that is so rare. We could compare this to other condos on the market right now, but there aren't any. This is it. This is, seriously, you're not gonna find an outdoor space like that. So if that's what you're looking for, and a beautifully renovated condo, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, come on in because I got it for you. I want you to text or call me because this is a rare condo. We could look at condos that are $1 million, $2 million in the area with 695 square feet of outdoor living space where you could plant herbs in the ground, not in pots, in the ground, where you can walk out a gate to go outside, and a block and a half away is Whole Foods. And there's an aquatic center across the street, and 3 blocks away is Pike and Rose in the metro. But we can't find one. This is it. This is the place. Completely renovated inside. But anyway, call or text me now so you can enjoy this space. And I look forward to meeting you in person. Take care. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see the rest of the videos in this condo renovation project from start to finish until we take it live for sale, then click over here, subscribe, or down below, wherever it is, and we'll see you on the next video.